damaged fidgets. We've got a clear tub today instead of a bowl because I don't think they're actually all going to fit into the bowl. Okay, but first we have one giant orb ball and another. This one's actually like popped at that bit so you can squeeze them out. Whoa. Okay, so there's all the Orbeez out of that one. Now let's do this one. This is really satisfying. So here is all the Orbeez. So now let's do this Orbeez strawberry. These Orbeez feel really nice. So this orb emoji man's actually broke at the foot, so we should be able to just squeeze them out. But it'll take ages. Come back for part 2. Okay, so part 2 of cutting open stress balls. So I just cut up a yellow orb emoji man and I have another one. This one's also broken at the foot. I'm trying to squeeze them all out, but it's taken quite a while. The yellow's super pretty. Okay, now let's do, whoa, this green one. Okay, wow, so this is a lot of Orbeez. They're super pretty though. So now let's do this Orbeez unicorn, which is also broken at the seal. Them ones are bigger Orbeez than the ones inside the emoji men's. Now that's all the Orbeez ones done. Now let's just do this water snake. What? Come back to part 3, and oh my gosh, like, it feels really weird because the confetti bits keep getting stuck to me. But like, it's made the Orbeez feel better, like the water inside it. Okay, so now let's do these 2 needles. That was satisfying. Okay, that was actually really disgusting, so let's do the other one. Oh.
Is this the best?
Okay, these needles actually really smell. Like, not the actual, like, needle, it's like the stuff inside it. So, yeah. Bye, guys!